Shake well. Turn the can upside down and remove the nozzle to allow the safety ring to fall out. The safety ring prevents accidental triggering during transport and storage. With the can still upside down, hold it tight and strike the bottom of it with the palm of your other hand. Never strike against another can or other hard objects to avoid bursting. Spray paint has contents under pressure. Repeat several times, loosening the mixing balls from the settled pigment at the bottom of the can. Shake the can vigorously while upside down, taking advantage of gravity for approximately 1 minute until mixing balls can be heard moving freely. Shake further for up to 2 minutes. Replace the nozzle carefully back into the valve. Test spray away from any objects or on a scrap piece of material to ensure the cap is applied properly and the paint is mixed sufficiently. Reshake if required. Enjoy painting.